guys! Looking for perfect gifts for photographers? In the post 135 plus best gifts for photographers, the MasterBundles editorial put together the ultimate list of gift ideas and resources where you can purchase them. So currently there are over 135 unique gifts for photographers in the post. They range from the budget to experience, from the playful to the serious ones. Indeed, you will manage to choose something from over 100 ideas. So prepare your credit card and let's get started. The first part of our post is dedicated to 5 best Christmas gifts for photographers under $100. Our number 1 favorite is Fujifilm Instax Mini 8 instant film camera, which is available on Amazon for a little less than $70. Number 2 is a 5-in-1 portable collapsible multi-disc light reflector. Number 3 is a drone with an HD Wi-Fi camera live feed. Number 4 is a 3-in-1 phone camera lenses. And number 5 is a portable charger. These are the gifts that will fit a friend or a colleague or basically anybody who does the photography thing. So if you're looking for a little more pricey gifts, the next part of our post is dedicated to more expensive ones. So number 1 is a GoPro Hero 5 camera, which costs $220 on Amazon, and the Impossible Project Polaroid SX70 original instant film camera that costs a little less than $400 on Amazon. The next part is a selection of photo printers, so if you consider this as a viable gift, you can of course choose among the options available in the post. Just click on the link. Now, when we're finished with Christmas gifts, it's time to switch to the best 5 birthday gifts for photographers. Of course, photographers are people who also love receiving presents for their birthday. Of course, the selection depends on personal preferences, so the MasterBundles editorial has picked a number of options that will fit almost anybody. For Harry Potter fans, there is the Wizarding World of Harry Potter Hogsmeade tickets. Then you can find by clicking on the link. The next option is the concert tickets. Of course, the price depends on a show and the seats, but on average you will spend between $50 and $200. The option number 3 is the Lord of the Rings trilogy in 3 volumes, which is quite costly, but it's really worth presenting it to a real The Lord of the Rings fan. Number 4 is an App Store and iTunes gift card, which is a customizable gift because you can create your own design and choose the value between $10 and $100. Number 5 is a 4-in-1 cell phone camera lenses kit, which will be a great gift for an Instagram blogger or a video blogger. Finally, we've approached the top 5 Valentine's Day gifts for photographers. Of course, photographers are romantic folk who love expressing themselves through their work, so you have a chance to impress them with something unique and memorable. For instance, if they're a DC Comics or a Marvel fan, you can choose some merchandise that will really fit their taste. Or you can go a traditional way and choose 50 red roses bouquet or a gift basket with lots of chocolate. So the choice is really up to you. Of course, we shouldn't forget that we're living in the digital age, and so photographers will also appreciate digital gifts alongside material ones. If you don't know what to give a photographer, just consider giving them a bunch of digital options and digital gifts. For instance, you can choose photo add-ons and photo overlays, Lightroom presets, Photoshop actions, and lots of stuff that can help them process their pictures and amplify their work to make it a real masterpiece. All of these digital items are available in bundles on the MasterBundles website, so you should really check out because there are lots of great deals and you can always choose something that will fit your purpose and your taste. Finally, we'll round up our review with gifts for photographers FAQ. So, what are the most popular gift ideas for photographers? Usually, photographers get lots of professional equipment, fancy t-shirts and mugs, and books for most holidays. What do I give them for Christmas? Well, Christmas presents should be thoughtful and cute so that they will show how much you care about a person and make sure it's something really meaningful. Number 3 is a question about whether it's possible to find a good present for under $100. Of course it is, and actually the post contains lots of options for under $100. Finally, the question is, where can I find more gift ideas? Always search MasterBundles for fresh and trendy gift ideas, and hopefully you will get lucky picking the best gift for a photographer. Thanks for your attention and good luck with picking presents.